Kent Beck here with a quick interlude about how I set up VS Code for a TCR environment. So from my preferences, line numbers are off because I don't print my source code on green stripe paper. Auto formatting is on because I don't have time in the remaining seconds of my life to spend fussing about white space. But TCR support is really in this runOnSave command, where anytime a Python file changes, we're going to show the output in the terminal over here. And the command will run, clears the terminal first, runs the file in Python. So this is like the world's simplest testing framework. If that succeeds, returns successfully, then we do a little git commit of whatever changes just happened. And if it fails, this is the R part, we reset to whatever things were previously. So that's it. The simplest TCR support I could come up with. Of course, if you built a native support, you could do a whole lot more, but this will get us all started, and away we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is create rope.py, and away we go. Oh, of course, git add dot, and now away we go.